Hey guys, thanks for tuning in at The Beauty Business. I wanted to go over the HyaPen treatment today, which is also known as the needle-free lip injections. I recently got them done myself, but I'm going to do a demo after this and show you exactly what happens during the appointment at your salon. And a lot of people have been asking me about what it is because it's pretty interesting. I can get lip injections without the invasive needle going into my lips. This is the device that we use during this treatment, and this treatment actually came from the medical industry. So what people don't know is that it came from the idea of diabetics, right? So when you have diabetes, you have to take insulin, and some people have a more severe case where they have to take this insulin almost 2-3 times a day. So what they did is they came out with a little device where it will basically shoot the insulin into your body, through your skin, through a very small insertion, just so that people can start doing that at home instead of having to go to the doctors like 2-3 times a day to get those insulin shots. They took the same technology and turned it into a pen, and instead of using insulin, they have, we're using actual fillers. So lip fillers, or like even for deep wrinkles, this HyaPen treatment you can do for deep wrinkles, and also a needle-free lip injections. And I wanted to kind of touch base on it and what it is exactly. So the filler itself is hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is naturally found in our bodies already. It's in our eyes, our joints, and our skin. And basically what hyaluronic does is it holds water for us in our body or in our skin. So you ever notice like a toddler or like a little baby, their skin is so plump and juicy looking? Well, that's because that skin is full of hyaluronic acid. So that's why as we get older, we start to, kind of shrivel up a little bit. And, after a while, about, I think, after 30 or 35, our bodies just naturally stop producing it as we age. And that also causes like breakage of the elasticity and collagen in our skin. So that's why hyaluronic acid is really important. And that's what we use for the lip filler. So how it works is basically a device like this. So this is a pen, and then there are different like measurements of dosage of how much you want to put in. And what we do is we load it, and then we crank the pen, pull the spring back, and it shoots the product directly through the skin, and it makes such a small insertion that it doesn't hurt. It kind of feels like a very small rubber band snap. This treatment lasts about 4 months, and it really just looks like your lips are plump. It's not so drastic like the regular lip fillers, but it is noticeable. And you may experience bruising if you are iron deficient or anemic. That's also the same thing when you go to the doctor's office and you get your needle filler and Botox. Sometimes people bruise, and it's very normal. So just understand that may happen during your session. This treatment also only hit the States about 2 years ago. So 2018 in October is when it actually made its debut in the United States. It's from Europe. I think it was either Germany or Switzerland that came out with the device first, and then it hit the States in 2018 October. So that's also why you don't see too much information online about it here or even on YouTube, just because it's such a new service that's available for estheticians and cosmetologists that we are only really learning about it now. But I think it's a great treatment if you're looking for just a little extra or a little more fuller lips. But let's get started so that I can show you guys a demo from beginning to end of exactly how this works. Okay, so after about 15 minutes, my lips are pretty numb, which is probably why I might talk a little funny. Go ahead and just wipe off excess. So how you want to measure is through your Q-tip bar, and this is the distance. So with the bud here, and then I'm actually going to use a lip pencil. So here I want to mark that right. like that. So after you're done, it should look a little like this. I know it's a little scary, but basically you now know where you are going to line the lips. The second round, you want to go in. Right here. Okay. Now, we just have to use your pen. So first things first, pull your spring, and then 2 dosage. So I just spin it so that it lines up 2 of these lines. Then, pay attention. That's it. Alright, so this is the finished product. I know it's a little pink right now, but that is why it's gonna calm down tomorrow, because obviously we've been flicking at it for, you know, 30 minutes now. And yeah, so it's not too bad, but you can kind of see. So hopefully I don't think I'll bruise, but the little bumps are natural. Aftercare, okay, so no drinking alcohol, nothing that will dehydrate you, no hard workouts, that's gonna make you sweat, because remember, hyaluronic acid holds water. So all you have to do now is just kind of like alcohol wipe that, and then you can apply some Neosporin or even Aquaphor Vaseline just to kind of seal it up. Lip gloss and stuff is fine, just no heavy pigmented stuff. Thank you guys for watching The Beauty Business. Okay, thanks, bye!